Guys, in this video I'm going to show you the professional PCB that I will use in my future electronics projects, such as the RC plane and a mini quadcopter. And I will also show you where I got the PCBs from. I am also going to do an unboxing and a review about these PCBs. Yes guys, this video is sponsored by PCBWay, which is a great PCB manufacturing company. If you have any PCB design such as this, just generate the Jabber file and upload it in the PCBWay website. Once uploaded, you can see the preview of your PCB. Now, select the desired properties for your PCB, such as the thickness and the solder mask color. The best thing about PCBWay is that you can order up to 10 PCBs for just $5, which is impressive. Once done, click on the Save to Cart and proceed to check out for the payments. And here it is guys. I have received my PCB. And the packaging looks very good. Now in the package you can see that there is an invoice for your purchase and also some papers for the tracking numbers of the shipment. And here it is guys, the invoice. And here goes the tracking number papers. Now inside the package you can see the box for the PCB which contains all the PCBs. First impression about the packaging is awesome. As you can see, there is no damage at all to the packaging, and that's a very good sign. Let's now open the box and check out the PCBs. And here they are guys, just look at this packaging, impressive I must say. They have done a vacuum sealing to the PCB to prevent any damage. I am very impressed with the quality of the packaging itself. Also look at the PCBs, they are perfect I must say. Now I have made 4 different designs for my future projects, which will be for a Quadcopter and a RC receiver and also an RC plane flight controller. Now let's get the bubble wrap off. And here they are guys. The quality is remarkable. The silk layer is perfect, the double-sided PCB is nice, the thin layer on the pads are perfect, the solder mask applied also is very nice. Overall, the best quality PCB you can get at this price. It is also very light, which will be perfect for the projects that I will be doing with this. Now in my future videos, you guys will see the projects in which I will use these PCBs. I will be making a mini quadcopter based on the Arduino Atmega chip, which will be very small. I will also be making a big size drone and a RC plane with other PCBs. Stay tuned guys for these projects, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel so that you can get updated for the upcoming projects. If you guys have any electronics projects, personal or school projects, I recommend you to order PCB from PCBWay to give your projects a more professional look. This one is for the bigger size drone. It has a blue solder mask in it, which is very nice. Now this one is for the mini RC plane that I was talking about. It will be a very interesting project, guys. Make sure to watch the videos for it. And here are all the PCBs, guys. They are all awesome. If you want to support my channel so that I can make more awesome and interesting projects, consider supporting me through my Patreons. You can find links to my Patreons in the description below. If you guys are interested in this design also for your personal quadcopter or RC plane, boats or RC car, I will be selling the Jabber 5 for these designs in my Patreons for around $1, so that I can make many more interesting videos in the future. If you guys like these videos, please push a like and subscribe to my channel.